At the outset, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you and other dignitaries who are participating in this program. And we are really delighted to see that this American Corner, which is the third one in India, is being established in Andhra University in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much for all your support. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. I noticed the presence of Ms. Veena Reddy as well. Veena Reddy garu, welcome. And I very quickly hand over, request Honorable Chief Minister to please take over and conduct the proceedings.
Should I do something? Or?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it a great honor and privilege to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy garu, for the inaugural program of this American Corner in the precincts of Andhra University. Let me also extend a very warm welcome to all the ministers and educationalists, administrators, and the local members who are sitting here from US Embassy to this inaugural program. And this particular corner, in fact, is housed in the precincts of Andhra University, which is an institution of eminence. And Andhra University, in fact, is an institution which is located in the city of destiny, which has shaped the destiny of several people, call it as educationalists and industrialists and Supreme Court judges, presidents, vice presidents of India, and even people who have occupied very important positions in armed and naval forces. And this is an institution whose family, in fact, manifests what is called as Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. And this is an institution whose diaspora, in fact, melds the entire globe. And this is an institution which is truly enjoying the support from Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy garu in its endeavor to become one of the world-class universities. And in this particular direction, sir, the establishment of American Corner in the city of Visakhapatnam, and that too in Andhra University, is a great boost to the youth of this particular state to get connected to whatever that is happening in the United States with reference to the cultural activity, the educational activity, the entrepreneurial activity, and social activity. Sir, let me introduce the members to you from here. The Consul Journal from Hyderabad, Zoel Reifman, Veena Reddy. Veena Reddy, in fact, she's a member. She's the director, mission director for USAID for both India as well as Bhutan. And Honorable District Collector, Mr. Mallikarjun, is also here, sir. And in fact, this is a wonderful initiative, sir. At a time when global companies, multinational companies are, in fact, looking at Andhra Pradesh as a favorable destination for investment, we feel, that this particular initiative, launching of this American Corner in Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, truly exhibits and a reflection of the leadership and its confidence in the global companies. And truly we believe that through this particular initiative, I think the Andhra Pradesh would emerge as a knowledge capital. So thank you, sir. With this introduction, now I put a request to Mr. Veena Reddy to speak a few words.
Hello. Great. Namaskaram. Naku chala santoshanga undi. Andhra Pradesh ku rawadanki. Thank you. And thank you so much, Consul General Reifman, for inviting me to participate. A space like this, an endeavor like this, takes really great vision, clarity of purpose, and commitment. So I'm very impressed by the commitment of the consulate, the Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, and Andhra University for this collaboration. It's amazing to see this come to fruition. I'm sure you're all so pleased. As a daughter of Andhra Pradesh,